40 or 57.95, I need you to buy. And of course, I know y'all want to know about Bitcoin when we go next, right? 72,848, screenshot. 80,157, and then of course 99,269 is a buy area. I need y'all to stand up. I need some energy from y'all. Palantir is doing incredibly well, but you have to look at this. The European Defense ETF is up almost 37%. Anduril is going to be the next Palantir and maybe bigger, okay? So they're not publicly traded yet, but when they come available, it is a company I want to invest in, given who we have in administration. We may be in some wars for a while. Palantir is a sector that you want to, defense is a sector that you want to invest in. I'm gonna come back to it. Give me a second. I got you. How to tell what the hedge funds are buying, screenshot. Hedgefollow.com. So if you want to know what any major hedge fund is buying, please go there. I have no affiliation. If you want to know what Pelosi is buying, or any senators are buying, go to capitaltrades.com, and then also to gurufocus.com. Click on insiders, and then you can see the real time positions of what they're buying. So if Nancy's buying something at scale, you often may say, well, how the hell is she making 300% and only making 300 grand a year? This will allow you to be able to know what she is buying. But I need you to know this. The market is only down 24 out of 196 years. Stop worrying about a crash. If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? They always tell us as black and brown people to worry about a crash while everyone else profits from it going up. The crash only lasts 6 to 18 months. What are you worried about? Have you made money off Microsoft? Nvidia? Meta? There's nothing to worry about. Say, I'm going to invest for the long term. So this week, or last week, Buffett bought some United Healthcare, right? Some of y'all were like, yo, I thought you said United Healthcare wasn't nothing about, boy. Here's how you analyze to see. Screenshot this. This is the prompt to analyze the 13F in ChatGPT 5. What stocks are the focus of this hedge fund? What stocks are not performing well on this list? Number 4 is really important. What are the expected returns from this portfolio if they hold for the next 5 years? And most importantly, can you walk me through a Monte Carlo to tell me what the worst drawdown scenario will be? A Monte Carlo goes through 1,000 different scenarios to tell you, this is the worst case, what can happen for NVIDIA. Can I tell you when I ran my prompt, what it told me about Apple? It's money. Y'all know what I was gonna do with Tim Cook, but I'm gonna be gracious. I'm gonna wait till December. But there's less than a 1% chance that Apple ever becomes the #1 market cap in the history of the world ever again through this simulation. I want to be clear. Apple is still a great investment. They lost their spot to NVIDIA, for sure, and Meta. Should it still be in your portfolio? Yes, but as a #1 prime position, is NVIDIA better? For sure. Here's the whole AI ecosystem. Chip design, NVIDIA, you made money? AMD, and Broadcom. If you want manufacturers, TSM, Broadcom. You made money off Broadcom? Power, you have Suncor, and equipment, you have ASML and AMAT. Please understand this. The blue